This community is nestled along the serene shores of Lake Taneycomo. This property features 3 beautifully remodeled living quarters, perfect for family gatherings or maybe rental opportunities. Each unit boasts modern amenities, open floor plans, and stylish finishes, creating a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. There is a total of 6 bedrooms, 2 bonus rooms and 4 bathrooms, 3 kitchen areas, 4 living room areas. Plenty of room for endless possibilities. The main living quarter offers a spacious kitchen with black 2-year-old appliances, a cozy living area, and a private deck ideal for morning coffee or evening sunsets. The 2 additional quarters provide privacy and charm, each with their own unique decor, well-equipped kitchens, and comfortable sleeping areas. Outside, the property features a private boat dock. Please view dock from the bank. Not sure of dock condition, providing easy access to the lake for fishing, kayaking, or leisurely boat rides. This property is a perfect retreat for the